project proposals, describe the project phases and activities. Ang methodology, muna siya isa na siya sa pinaka-importante. Pwede rin nag-describe kung unsa yung mga problema sa kung ikuha nga project or
Sign language.
sumpay na ko niyan to. Naidwa ka, ang sa methodology, nasa idwa ka, ang gigamit ng methodology, nasa idwa ka ang gigamit. Ang quantitative data o qualitative data. Historical climate data is from the Philippines, atmospheric geophysical and astronomical service administration or PAGASA will be analyzed to identify the trends and patterns, while the qualitative data, semi-structured interviews will be conducted with sample of rice farmers in Quezon del Norte to gather information on their experience with climate change impacts. Plantation studies to employ Next, timeline. If the concept paper is for a project that requires funding or resources, this section presents a realistic timeline and budget. This demonstrates planning and preparedness. Kung maghimo kayo mag concept paper, kung ang inyong concept paper kay about research or research project or sa bakatara research, dapat na yung time of date kay napa na ano sa gigi mo ano sa nahitabo ano sa code and siguro basta niya ito months 1 literature review the data collecting planning and approvals 4 months to 6 quantitative data collection and analysis 7 to 9 qualitative data collection and analysis 12 report and writing dissemination. Then, ang conclusion, a brief summary of the key points, reiterating the significance of the proposed concept and its potential impact. It should leave a lasting impression on the reader. Diri, summarize na nimo tanan ang himo sa inyong concept paper. In the reference, a list of all sources cited in the paper using consistent citation style. This demonstrates the credibility of the information present.
Jangan dong. Jangan jemput. Ini kau ayam musil lagi. Pusilon si Tantan di kumancer mulai. Ma'am, si Tantan bang hold up ma'am.
Wala, ma'am.
Ya, ay mga boy. Ya, agi kon di Tantan.